Imagine gazing back at Earth, a vibrant marble suspended in cosmic velvet. Your home, the moon. For centuries, we've looked up, dreamed up. But could we actually live there? Not just visit. Not just a temporary camp. Permanently. A new civilization. On the moon. It's a tantalizing vision, right? A frontier beckoning. But the moon isn't exactly welcoming. It's a harsh, unforgiving world. Filled with secrets. And dangers. Making a home there? A monumental task. The ultimate challenge. Can humanity truly adapt? Or is this just a beautiful, impossible dream? First up, an invisible enemy. Cosmic radiation. On Earth, our atmosphere and magnetic field are like a giant invisible shield. Up there? Nothing. The moon is bombarded. Deadly particles, solar flares, galactic cosmic rays. They'll fry your DNA, guaranteed. Unless we find a way to hide. Deep underground? Thick, impenetrable walls? It's not just about comfort, it's about survival. Every single second you spend outside a shielded zone, you're taking a risk. A huge, life-altering risk. How do you build a city that's also a bunker? The clock is ticking, even if you can't see it. Air. That stuff we take for granted. On the moon? Zip. Nada. A vacuum. So, where does your next breath come from? Hauling tanks from Earth? Not sustainable. We need to make our own. But how? The moon's surface, the regolith, actually contains oxygen. Trapped within minerals. An astonishing possibility. But extracting it? That's a whole different puzzle. Industrial scale extraction? Massive energy requirements? It's not just a lab experiment. It's about generating enough breathable air for hundreds, thousands of people. An incredible feat of engineering. A delicate balance. One wrong move. Water. The ultimate resource. The moon is dry, right? Wrong. Buried deep in permanently shadowed craters, especially at the poles, is ice. Frozen water. Tons of it. A lunar oasis. But it's not like scooping up snow. We're talking about temperatures so low, they make Antarctica feel like a beach vacation. How do you mine it? Extract it? Keep it from evaporating into the vacuum once exposed. This isn't just a discovery, it's a lifeline. But it's a lifeline trapped in eternal darkness, clinging to shadows. A true treasure hunt. With incredibly high stakes. Find it. Mine it. Survive. So you've got air and water. What about dinner? Fresh lettuce? A juicy tomato? Space food pouches only go so far. We need self-sufficiency. But growing plants in lunar soil? It's weird. It's abrasive. It lacks organic material. It's basically broken glass. Plants need nutrients. They need light. They need warmth. And gravity. Very specific gravity. Can we create hydroponic farms? Aeroponic systems? What about fungi, insects? Imagine the challenge of creating a closed-loop ecosystem. A mini-Earth. Under a dome. Where every calorie counts. And every mistake could mean disaster. No takebacks is on the moon. Low gravity. Sounds fun, right? Bouncing around, super jumps. But for your body? Not so much. Long-term exposure to 1/6 Earth's gravity. What does that do to bones? Muscles? Your heart? Even your eyes? It's not just about getting weaker. It's a complete physiological overhaul. Constant exercise becomes a chore, not a choice. Will we become fragile lunar beings? Or can we find ways to mitigate the effects? Artificial gravity habitats? Daily rigorous workouts? It's a silent drain on the human body. A constant, unseen battle against decay. And there's no going home for a quick fix. Beyond the physical, there's the psychological. Isolation, confinement, monotony, the sheer distance from home. Imagine living in a small, enclosed space, day in, day out, with the same few people, looking out at the same desolate, grey landscape. Lunar fatigue, cabin fever, depression. How do you maintain sanity? Group cohesion? What about connection to nature? Virtual reality? Biophilic design? Mental health on the moon isn't a luxury, it's a critical engineering problem. The human mind is incredibly resilient. But it also has its limits. And the moon, well, it pushes those limits hard. So, how do we build these lunar cities? We can't just ship everything from Earth. Too expensive. Too difficult. We need to build with what's there. Lunar regolith as building material. 3D printing habitats directly on the moon. Lava tubes, natural underground tunnels, could offer built-in radiation shielding. Imagine underground cities. Pressurized domes. Using robotics. Autonomous construction. This isn't just about putting a flag down, it's about creating infrastructure. Roads. Power grids. Communication networks. A fully functioning society. From dust and dreams. It's the ultimate architectural challenge. And the canvas? The entire lunar surface. No power, no life. How do you keep the lights on, the air circulating, the water flowing? Solar panels? Effective, but what about the long lunar night? Days and nights that last weeks. That's a problem. Storing power for weeks? A massive battery challenge. Nuclear power? Small modular reactors? The moon could be a giant energy test bed. A place to innovate power generation beyond anything we've conceived on Earth. It's not just about wattage, it's about reliability, redundancy, resilience. A single power failure could mean catastrophic consequences. The ultimate grid. On the ultimate frontier. Why bother? What's the economic incentive? It can't just be an expensive science project. Is it rare minerals? Helium-3, a potential clean fusion fuel? Is it a staging ground for deeper space exploration? A tourist destination for the ultra-rich? Or perhaps a new kind of industry, unconstrained by Earth's environment? Manufacturing in vacuum? Perfect microgravity experiments. The moon could become a hub, a bustling port of call. But the upfront investment? Astronomical. The risks? Immense. The payoff? Potentially revolutionary. This isn't just about survival, it's about purpose. A new economy. Beyond Earth. Building a lunar base is one thing. Keeping it running? That's an entirely different beast. What about dust? The abrasive lunar regolith gets everywhere. It wears down seals, clogs machinery, damages equipment. A constant battle against fine, irritating powder. What about repair? Spare parts? On-site manufacturing? Every system needs redundancy. Every component, a backup. This isn't a static project, it's a living, breathing entity that needs constant care. An endless to-do list in a vacuum. A testament to human ingenuity. Or perhaps, stubbornness. The moon demands vigilance. Unceasing vigilance. Could humans really live on the moon? Yes. But it won't be easy. It's not a matter of if, but how. It demands unprecedented engineering, unflinching determination, and a willingness to confront challenges that would make even the boldest explorers blanch. It's a journey into the unknown, a testament to what humanity can achieve when pushed to its limits. We'll need new technologies, new social structures, new ways of thinking. The moon is more than just a stepping stone. It's a proving ground for the next chapter of human evolution. A new home. Waiting.